You fly across the world in hours, but your body takes days to catch up. Here is why your brain refuses to move on. 6 hours after landing in Tokyo, you are wide awake at 3 in the morning. Your eyes will not close. Your stomach is demanding dinner. Your body thinks it is still mid-afternoon in New York. This is jet lag. It is not just tiredness, and it is not in your head. Deep inside your brain, a cluster of about 20,000 cells is stubbornly running on the wrong clock. Scientists call it the suprachiasmatic nucleus. It controls when you sleep, eat, think, and even when your body temperature rises and falls. And it can only shift about 1 hour per day. The suprachiasmatic nucleus, or SCN, sits just above the point where your optic nerves cross. That location is not an accident. The SCN listens directly to your eyes, using daylight as its main signal. When sunlight hits your retina in the morning, the SCN tells your body it is daytime. Cortisol rises, alertness kicks in, and body temperature starts to climb. In the evening, as light fades, the SCN orders the pineal gland to release melatonin, which prepares you for sleep. This 24-hour rhythm touches almost every cell in your body. Your liver runs on it, your gut runs on it, even your immune system runs on it. Normally, all of those smaller clocks stay locked to the master clock in your brain. Now fly from New York to Tokyo in 14 hours. You step off the plane, and your SCN is still running on New York time. Worse, your liver clock, your gut clock, and your muscle clocks all update at different speeds. Some resync in 2 days, others take over a week. Your brain is telling your stomach it is dinner time while your stomach is expecting breakfast. Your muscles peak in strength at the wrong hour. Even your thinking slows, which is why pilots, athletes, and executives lose as much as 20% of reaction speed in the first days after a long flight. A 2017 study published in Nature found that mental performance can take up to 8 days to fully recover from a 9-hour time shift. Jet lag is not simple fatigue. It is your organs arguing with each other. Not all jet lag is equal. Flying east is harder than flying west, and the reason is built into your biology. Your natural internal day is actually about 24 hours and 15 minutes long, slightly longer than a real day. That means it is easier to stay up later than it is to wake up earlier. Flying west lets you stretch your day, which matches your natural drift. Flying east forces you to shrink your day, which fights your biology. A study of Major League Baseball players across 20 seasons found that eastbound teams gave up roughly 1 extra run per game compared to westbound teams. Astronauts on the International Space Station face the most extreme version, crossing 16 artificial time zones every 24 hours. Without careful lighting schedules, their performance collapses within days. The good news is that you can speed up recovery. Light is the most powerful lever. Bright morning sunlight shifts the SCN forward, helping you adjust after an eastward flight. Evening light shifts it backward, which helps after flying west. Melatonin taken in tiny doses of about 0.3 to 0.5 milligrams, 5 hours before your target bedtime, can nudge the clock faster, but larger doses do not work better. Food timing also matters. Eating meals on local time helps your liver and gut catch up to your brain. Caffeine in the morning boosts alertness, but skip it afternoon. And avoid blue light from phones and screens at night, because your SCN cannot tell it apart from sunlight. A simple rule of thumb is to expect 1 day of adjustment for every time zone you crossed. If you found this fascinating, subscribe to Curious Science. Next time, we explore why octopuses have 3 hearts.